Well, let's talk about some general understanding on how to use bivariant data and talking about relationships um, with two explanatory in a two variables such as explanatory and response variables. So without further ado, all right, I'm gonna get a little thing. So here we go. There we go. So here we have the relationship between amount of sugar, okay, and the number of calories in movie theater candy. So let's identify the explanatory and response variables in this particular example. Well, as I said before, explanatory variables lead to a response, okay? So these are our outcomes. So this is our outcome. And so our outcome here is probably explanatory is going to be the sugar in the candy in grams, followed by the outcome of probably going to be more calories. Okay, because that is going to be our outcome. So this is what we input in, and this is what we get out. Okay, so sugar is explanatory, and response is our outcome in calories. So now we're going to make a scatter plot of this data. So to make a scatter plot of this data, I'm going to change my color a little bit and put that there. And we're going to draw this right here, and we're going to plot our different values. So we're going to have our explanatory variable, which is our sugar in grams. Okay, and we're going to start here, and we'll go, well, if we go to 0, we'll say this is going to be, what do we have here? I'll go by 10, so let's say 40, we'll go 50, we'll go 60, we'll go 70, we'll go 80, we'll go 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, and 140. All right, grams. Now, when we have number of grams of sugar, we are looking at for calories. And so calories, we're going to have 100 calories. We'll go 200 calories. We'll go 300 calories, 400 calories, 500 calories, and we'll have like 600 up here. Okay, so we'll label this stuff, and this is going to be calories. Calories right there. Okay, and we'll plot these. So 45 grams of sugar, and it's going to give us 450 calories, so we'll plot that one right there. 107 sugar is going to give us 570, so that's going to be like right there. 62 is going to give us 480, so it's going to be like about right there. 44 is going to give us 370, which is going to be right there. Okay. We can see that 44, 370, 79 is going to give us 790. Oops, not go high enough. Oops, yeah, I'm going to go 700. And then let's go 800 up there. There we go. So what do we see again? 79 is going to give us 790, so way up there. 60 and 420. We got 61, and that's going to give us 580. Right there. 87 and 450. Boom. 92 and about 490. All right, so about right there. 136. So we're way out here now. 136 and 680. And then we see 460. Sorry, 59. 59. And it's going to give us 460 again. It's going to be right there. And then finally, Whoppers are going to be 48 and then 350 grams. Okay. 48 and 350. There we go. Okay. Yeah, they're about right there. Okay. Now, as you see this right here, we made our scatter plot. We labeled them with the grams and calories. And now our last thing is we want to describe the relationship of the scatter plot. Well, what kind of relationship do we have? Well, there appears to be there appears to be I would maybe say a moderately strong, positive linear relationship between amount of sugar, and the number of calories. In movie theater candy. All right. With no unusual, all right, with no unusual features. I'm going to say that right there. I don't see any really unusual features very much. Maybe this one is up there a little bit. All right, but if we wanted to add that, we could add that too. All right, so that's what we got here. And going through and how to use relationships and how to state relationships, explanatory response variables, how to do a scatter plot, and also how to describe relationship there.